This is crochet hair, feather crochet. I've never been a fan, but today, oh, I'm a fan. I love when the hair is really curly. That's cute. The curls look so good. Okay, so my hair is from OMGHerHair. I'm starting off with 5 bundles. And you see it has the thread at the top. This is their feathered crochet hair, 20-inch Burmese curly. And for this style, I will be doing a side part and everything else. I have corn rolled to the back. And it is 11:05 right now. And I've been working with this type of hair for about a year now, and they have really improved because now the thread in the middle is a lot shorter, making it less detectable. Okay, so the first braid is almost all the way filled in, and look at how thick it is. This Burmese curly is like the perfect curl pattern. And not to mention, this is OMGHerHair signature curl pattern. And it's gorgeous. It speaks for itself. I'm loving this Burmese curly. And this is about maybe 15 pieces. And look how much hair I have left out of the first bundle still. And all I did was this section, and it's so thick and full already. So this is one pack here. This is a lot of hair. I'm ready to start on my second pack, and they look good. I'm doing it fairly close. I'm gonna be able to pull that over. They'll look really nice. Okay, so this is one bundle, and this is one bundle. Bring this section up because that way I can tell where each bundle is. This is a lot of hair, and I don't need it in my way, slowing me down, you know what I mean? So ready to start on the third bundle of my 20-inch Burmese curly feathered crochet hair. And to remove this from the string, I just separate a section and pull it off. And then just grab one, and it just pretty much opens up. And I'll lay a couple out one by one, and I can flow through crocheting them in. Alright, so this is the last one for the third bundle. This is one bundle right here. Alright, so I will go ahead and install the fourth bundle, and I'll come back and show you those results in a second, literally. Alright, this is the fourth pack right here, and I did not use all of it. I used about half of it, and I think I'm good. Once I braid everything and detangle it, you won't be able to see the gaps. So let me finish my makeup, and then we'll come back and fix my leave out. All right, makeup all done. Let's go ahead and get this together. And I will just be using some water, and I might add a little lot of body, you know. Again, you guys, this is Burmese curly hair, so I have to put in like no effort to get these curls. Now let me show you exactly how I'm getting it. OMGHerHair specialty is this Burmese curly, and look, I really don't have to define my curls. Look at the pattern, but I'm going to. So I make sure I get the entire section wet. Like, it doesn't have to be drenching wet, but I do want to be able to finger detangle it. And then once I can finger detangle everything, I have the top section wet. I will go ahead and make sure the ends are saturated and then comb through it. I don't need to comb all the way from top to bottom. And then just take a little bit of the lighter body to put at the end, and then I'll just drag it along the top. Don't need much. And then I go back in to make sure I can define the ends, get everything to be clumped together like that. But I will split this section up really quick. And then just take my dimming brush, and I like to kind of use the back of it, like drag it like this to get the curls, see? So I'll brush through it and then use the back to like smooth it out. Yeah. Okay, now everything is defined. So we'll go ahead and work on the leave out. And this is some heat protectant just on my leave out, since I will be straightening this. I have it parted like at a little swoop angle. Let's make sure we have some covering up the back. Section that off first. Okay, now I will be using this gummy edge control to put on my leave out. Watch me work. Okay, so I'm going to let this marinate a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you the end. Okay, so my hair is, we're gonna say it's dry. The middle back here, that's not really that dry, but everything else is dry. Good to go, baby. I take this clip out because I was trying to make sure it stayed back off my face a little. That's cute. The curls look so good. The Burmese curly never seems to disappoint. Now I see why OMGHerHair specialty is the Burmese curly, because look at this hair. And to think that this is crochet hair, feather crochet, I've never been a fan, but to today, oh, I'm a fan. I love when the hair is really curly. It gives natural, like, it's just so beautiful. So yeah, here's the end results of this hair. Okay, y'all, so really quick update. Like I said, I only used 3.5 packs of hair. I started off with 5 bundles and I'm left with 1.5. The style took me about, I'll just say about 3 hours to complete, but yeah, your girl looking good today. But I also will be showing you guys my outfit of the day, real cutesy. But really quick, let me give you a 360 of my hair. Okay, before I get to showing you my outfit of the day, I was sent this purse. All links will be linked down below, so you can go check it out. But I wanted to give you like an unboxing of my purse. It comes in this Fendi dust bag. And look at the bag. Oh, yes, baby, yes. The bag is huge. And look at the handles. This is what they classify as like a tortoise shell. You have like the gold hardware, the Fendi name on the front. Here's the back, real simple. And inside, you have 2 straps. And I'll show you guys this in a second. And another strap as well. And it comes with a lot of tissue paper, of course, to hold up the shape. Even at the bottom, you have the Fendi logo as well. You see how squared and spacious this bag is? Like, it's a lot of space in here. And this bag is very affordable. Less than $200 you can have this bag. And you also have a Fendi price tag with the barcode here. Gorgeous. This off. So I was sent 2 gifts as well as this Louis Vuitton keychain. Everything is given authentic, honey. See what she's giving. I love keychains and like little dainty things like this. So you have the locket hardware at the top, and you can see here it has Louis Vuitton engraved into it as well. And then it comes down with some change, and this charm is a heart with the Louis Vuitton symbol. So cute, love it. So I'm gonna add it to this hook inside of the bag. Just a cute little accessory piece added to the bag. I love that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add these straps. Just take this protective off. Ooh, look at that. So it comes with 2 straps. One of the straps actually have the Fendi name on it, you know, in case you're trying to show off. And baby, I'm trying to show off. And even in the inside, you have the name as well as made in Italy. If you don't want to be as flashy, here's another strap that doesn't have anything written on it. And you can just pair that as well if you like. Okay, here's the bag. So yeah, I'll be right back to show you everything put together. Okay, starting from bottom up, my shoes, these are from Macy's. I paid like $40 for them. Super cute little loafers. Second is these pants. I love the print on these. These are from Shein. I'll leave a link down below. Next is this open but yet crop top sweater. I got this sweater from Ross. I've had it for a minute. And then to tie everything together with this look is to add in this large oversized crossbody. Look really good with the gold hardware coming down the strap. The large Fendi logo in the middle of the bag. Pair with my Louis Vuitton chain on the side. You have handles where you can just carry it on your arm like so, or use the strap. I'm mixing gold and silver today. I have this really cute little bracelet set. It's actually 1 piece. And I got this from Macy's. There's my Apple Watch. And then this is a bracelet that was my sister's because I've been planning her jewelry lately. These earrings from Macy's as well. They was like $5, $6. Because if I get jewelry from Macy's or anywhere department store like that, it's on sale. Really cute. That's my outfit of the day. Let me know if you would like to see more of these inserted in my videos, and I got them coming for you, girl. Okay, so I thought about it. I'm not gonna leave y'all hanging. It's a couple days later since I installed my hair. I have not combed through it since I installed it, and look, the Burmese curly look good. She look good at it. Okay. You see the back looking real good. There's 2 different ways that you can remove this hair. You can remove it by cutting the string, which is how I'm going to remove majority of it, or you can pull it through the loop. Honestly, the braids that's in the back, it's like a thicker braid, so it's easier to pull the hair back through the loop. See that? And it comes right out. String still attached. But the ones in the front, like on the edge, see, this is like a smaller braid, so it'll be a little harder to just pull it out. Now, I could get like a rat tail comb and like fish through the thread to be able to get it, but baby, I'm not doing all of that, okay? So this is how I will remove the hair. Just take it and cut it right at the base. Make sure I don't cut my braid. And then, see here, I cut it right at the tip of the crochet hair. So let me go ahead and take everything out and I'll be back to show you. So this is all the hair I removed. I put them in like these little bundles to make it easier to tame. Yeah, before, after. Now I will just go ahead and lay this hair out so that it can air dry. And that's it. Save this hair for later.